Justice N. Anand Venkatesh of Madras High Court, who has instilled the fear of God among DMK rank and file, has provided clarification regarding the 6 SoMotu revisions that were initiated to review the discharge or acquittal of both current and former ministers in cases related to alleged disproportionate assets and other criminal charges. The judge emphasized that these petitions were taken up only after receiving prior permission from Justice S.V. Gangapurwala, dispelling any notions of unilateral actions on his part. This clarification came in response to concerns raised by members of legal fraternity regarding the SoMotu actions and the initial findings issued by Justice Venkatesh in these cases. He wanted to make it abundantly clear that the Chief Justice had granted permission to pursue these petitions and had directed the inclusion in the court's docket. Justice Venkatesh went a step further, openly challenging those who doubted the impartiality and legality of his orders. He invited them to appeal his decisions before the Supreme Court if they believed these actions were preconceived or ran counter to established legal principles. The judge declared his intent to continue overseeing these SoMotu cases and underscored his commitment to ensuring a fair and transparent legal process. A minister involved in one of the cases, Thangam Thennarasu, recently engaged legal counsel to represent them in the High Court concerning the SoMotu revision petition. Consequently, they needed to be formally served with essential documents related to the initiation of the SoMotu proceedings. Justice Venkatesh adjourned the next hearing on this matter to November 6 to accommodate this requirement. In a related development, another SoMotu revision petition was considered by the court, this one focusing on the discharge of Revenue Minister KKSSR Ramachandran and the members of his family from disproportionate assets case. During the proceedings, senior counsel N.R. Ilango raised concerns about the potential bias, pointing to specific paragraphs in judge's earlier order that, in his opinion, could prejudice the accused. Given these concerns, he requested that Justice Venkatesh recuse himself from hearing the case. The judge decided to defer a decision on this recusal until November 2nd. Since August 10, 2023, Justice Venkatesh has taken a proactive step of initiating SoMotu actions in cases involving several ministers, including Higher Education Minister K. Ponmudi, Mr. Ramachandran, Mr. Thennarasu, former Chief Minister O. Pannirselvam, Rural Development Minister I. Periyasamy, and former Social Welfare Minister B. Valarmati. Justice Venkatesh SoMotu hearings and riling up all the top ministers of DMK party are bound to rattle the fort. While DMK is being shaded as a corrupt party by the Tamil Nadu BJP, Justice Venkatesh's effort seems to strengthen their case. Political bias or not, these SoMotu cases are definitely becoming a concern for the Dravidian party as their top ministers are being cornered one by one.